Hello and welcome to Math with Dotu. In this video, we're going to be looking at the principle, all right? Still working on simple interest, right? Remember to go through the playlist, all right? So we're going to be finding the principle. So find the principle that will yield an interest of £75 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum. So we're looking for the amount of money we're going to invest, and then at the end of 2.5 years, we have £75. That's if the interest is coming at the rate of 10% per year. So how do we calculate that? Remember the formula. So principle, for each of the components, we know we are doing 100 times interest. Then if you are looking at principle, then that means we divide this by the product of the two other guys. Who are they? The rate and the time. Okay, and that applies to the other ones. All right, so if you are looking for rates, you are dividing this by principal and time. You're looking for time, you're dividing this by principal and rates. Okay, so now let's look at what we have. We have the interest that we are targeting. So we have a target of £75, and then we have the time, which is 2.5 years. All right, remember I like to work with fraction, so we'll convert this to mixed numbers, right? So that will be 5/2. Okay, so you can still work with this the way it is. All right, so if you have found a comfortable method using that, you just go ahead. So we have the rate as 10%. So now let's slot these guys in and then calculate. All right, so we have principal equals to 100 times the interest is 75. All right, all over the product of rate and time. Rate is 10, and then the time is 5/2. Okay, I like to do this. So now I just check if 2 can divide 10 to eliminate this fraction. So 2 can go here. 1, 2 in 10 is 5. Okay, so what I have left, I just want to rewrite it to show you, will be 100 times 75 over 5 times 5. So I'm rewriting this so that it will be clear, not that you have to do that. Okay, you don't need to do that. All right, so I have this. So 5 can go in 5 once, and then 5 in 100 is 20, right? 5 can still go in 20, right? So 5 goes there once, and then 5 in 20 is 4. So what we have left will be 75 times 4. So I can do that with the conventional method. 75 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20, right? And 4 times 7 is 28. 28 plus 2 will give you 30. So that is 300, right? So our final answer is 300 naira. So that means 300 is that amount of money that we're going to invest, and then for 2.5 years at 10% per annum, and at the end of the day we have £75. Oh, sorry, I brought in my Nigerian currency. So we're actually looking at the pounds. All right, so the answer is £300. All right, like I told you, simple interest work with any currency. All right, be it rands, cedis, pounds, yen, yuan. All right, okay, so the answer is £300 that will yield £75 at the end of 2.5 years of investments, having it growing at 10% per annum. Okay, thank you. Please go by it. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment. Thank you. Bye.